Let's get into it. The edible perennial that I have for you today, common camas, with a USDA hardiness zone of 4 through 8. This is one of the most important traditional foods of the Salish country. The small bulb-like roots are dug and roasted, eaten fresh or boiled, and can be dried for use in winter foods. Camas have a sweet taste, a flavor described similar to a baked pear, prune, or sweet chestnut. Dried flattened bulbs would historically served with seal, whale, or fish oil. The plant grows wild on damp meadows and is very easy to cultivate. But don't get them confused with its evil twin, called the death camas. Common camas can have a purple or white flower. Its large blossoms bloom in the middle of spring. Death camas always have white flowers. Its flowers are smaller than the common camas and they bloom later in the spring. The bulbs are easy to confuse, though the plants themselves are not, especially when in flower. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching Little House and Homestead. I will see you tomorrow.